Good afternoon, children. Today, let us do few questions related to the topic addition and subtraction of integers. Okay. Our first question is copy and complete these addition pyramids. Addition pyramids. Here, children, the number in the first row is given, that is 3. We have to find the numbers in the next rows. Okay. Second row, third row. This is the top row, first row. Okay. So starting from the first, the number given in the first row is sum of the numbers in the second row. Okay. That is 3 is the sum of 2 and an unknown number. So we have to find that. So 2 plus dash is equal to 3. That we don't know. Okay. We have to find this number. Here the sum is given, that is 3. So finding the unknown number, we have to subtract the first number from the sum, that is 3 minus 2, 1. So 1 is the answer here. Okay. Now coming to the last row. Last row, the first number is negative 3. Negative 3 plus a number is equal to 2. Okay. That is 2 is the sum of negative 3 and a number. So to find the number, we have to subtract negative 3 from 2. Follow the rules, children. 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. Okay. So in the number in the last row, the second number is 5. Okay. Now children, 5 plus a number is equal to 1. 5 plus a number is equal to 1. Okay. 1 is the sum of that numbers. So find the unknown number. We have to subtract 5 from 1. 1 minus 5. Follow the rules, children, which becomes 1 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 4. So here in the last row, third number is negative 4. Okay. Now let us check the answers, children. Negative 3 plus 5. Negative 3 plus 5 is 2. Okay. 5 plus negative 4 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So our answers are correct. Okay. Similarly, you can do the second one, that is this question, as homework. Okay. So children, here the number in the first row is given. First row. This is the first row. So start from the first row. Coming to the second row. 2 plus a number is equal to the sum, that is 3. So to find the unknown number, here unknown number, you should subtract 2 from 3. Okay. Similarly, you can find the numbers in the last row also. Okay. Our next question is work out negative 3 plus 4 plus negative 5. Negative 3 plus 4 plus negative 5. Okay. So first take these numbers. Negative 3 plus 4. What is negative 3 plus 4? Here we are adding two numbers with different sign. Two numbers with different sign. What is 4 minus 3? 1. Since 4 is a larger number, so our answer also positive. Okay. 4 is positive, so our answer is positive. Now 1 plus negative 5. 1 plus negative 5. Negative 3 plus 4 is 1. That is the sum of negative 3 and 4. Then that sum plus negative 5. Here also we are adding two numbers with different sign. So subtract the numbers 5 minus 1 4 and put the larger number sign, that is negative. Okay. So our answer is negative 4. Negative 4. So children, our question is negative 3 plus 4 plus negative 5. Negative 3 plus 4 is 1. 4 minus 3 1 and put the larger number sign, that is positive. Then 1 plus negative 5. Here also we are adding numbers with different signs. Subtract and put the larger number sign. 5 plus 1 is 4. Since the larger number is negative, our answer also negative. So answer is negative 4. Okay. Let me explain one more question. Negative 5 plus 4 plus negative 3. Okay. Take first two numbers. Negative 5 plus 4. Adding numbers with different sign. Subtract and put the larger number sign. 5 minus 4 1 and negative 1. Okay, since the larger number is 5. Next, negative 1 plus negative 3. Negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. So this is over. Now negative 1 plus the third number, that is negative 3. Here we are adding two numbers with same sign, negative sign. So add and put the negative sign. Okay, we are adding numbers with same sign. Negative 1 plus negative 3 is negative 4. Okay, so our final answer is negative 4. Okay, do third and fourth as homework. Next is estimate the answers to these questions. Round the numbers to the nearest whole number. Estimate. Estimate means, children, here we are adding decimal numbers. Decimal numbers. Decimal. You already learned about decimals. Decimal numbers has a dot. This dot is known as, this dot is negative 3.14. This dot is known as decimal point. Decimal point. Okay. And this part is a whole number part and this is the decimal part. This is the whole number part. That is, the part before the decimal is the whole number part and the part after the decimal point is the decimal part. Okay. Children, first we have to estimate, that is round this decimal into nearest whole number. Nearest whole number. So take the first number, negative 3.14. Here we are checking the whole number, nearest whole number. Okay. So check the 10th place first. 10th place. Which is the digit in the 10th place, children? 10th place means the digit, the first digit after this point. 10th. 10th. T-E-N-T-H-S. The second place is 100th. 100th. Okay. Decimal കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള first place ആണ് tens, second place 100, third place 1000th, fourth place 10,000th. Okay. These places are in the decimal part. Decimal part means the digits on the right side of the decimal point. Decimal point in the right side ഉള്ള digits ആണ് decimal part. The first place is tens, second is 100th, third is 1000th, fourth is 10,000th and so on. Okay. So now we are going to estimate this to the nearest whole number. Round to the nearest whole number. Let me explain this. Negative 3.14. So here we are rounding to the nearest whole number. Nearest whole number means നമ്മളിത് എസ്റ്റിമേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ ഇതിൽ ഡെസിമൽ പാർട്ട് വരാൻ പാടില്ല. ഓക്കെ, round to the nearest whole number means after the estimation we need only the whole number part. Clear? So check the 10th place first. 10th place. Which is the 10th place, children? 1. 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. So we have to remove this part. Remove this part. So our final answer is negative 3. Okay, negative 3. So negative 3.14 becomes negative 3. Clear? So to round the number to the nearest whole number means we are removing the decimal part from the number. So check the decimal place. Check the decimal place. First place in the decimal. First place. Okay. First place means 10th place. This is the first place. This is the first place. Which is the number in the 10th place? 1. 1 is less than 5. Okay. 1 is less than 5. So in such cases, we have to remove this part. Our part മുഴുവൻ remove ചെയ്തിട്ട് ബാക്കിയുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റ് എഴുതുക. Okay. So our answer is negative 3. Now children, our second number is 8.26. Positive 8.26. Same steps, children. Check the first place after the decimal. That is, here the first place is tens. Tens. 2. 2 is less than 5. So same step. If the 10th place is less than 5, we have to remove this place. Remove ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പോൾ ബാക്കി എന്താ ഉണ്ടാവുക? 8.26 is equal to 8. Okay. So the estimation is over. The rounding is over. Now we have to find the answer. Negative 3.14 becomes negative 3 and 8.26 becomes 8. Okay. So negative 3 plus 8. We are adding numbers with different sign. So what will we do? Subtract the numbers and put the larger number sign. 8 minus 3 is 5. So our answer is positive 5. Clear? So negative 3.14 rounds to negative 3, rounds to the nearest whole number, negative 3, and 8.26 becomes 8. Now do the calculation. Negative 3 plus 8, 8 minus 3, 5. And since 8 is a larger number, our answer also positive. Okay. Next is 3.2 minus 6.73. 3.2 minus 6.73. Okay. Same method, children. Here both numbers are positive. 3.2 and 6.73 are positive. So 3.3. First round to the nearest whole number. Check the 10th place. 10th place. 10th place എന്ന് പറയുന്ന decimal കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള first place. Okay. That is 2. 2 is less than 5. Less than 5. Less than 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. These digits are less than 5. In such cases, what will we do? Remove this place. So 3.2 becomes 3. Okay. Here 2 is less than 5. ലെസ് ദാൻ 5 വരുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ആ ഡിജിറ്റ്, ആ പാർട്ടിനെ റിമൂവ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, റിമൂവ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ബാക്കിയുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റ് എഴുതുക. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 3. നെക്സ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ ഈസ് 6.73. 6.73. Which is the digit in the 10th place, children? 7. 7 is greater than 5. Isn't it? 7 is greater than 5. In such cases, you should add 1 to the digit in the ones place. Add 1 to the digit in the ones place. Okay. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Now remove this part. Remove this part. So what is our answer? 6.73 becomes 7. Okay. So children, here the digit in the 10th place is more than 5. Digit in the 10th place is more than 5. In such cases, what will we do? Add 1 to the digit in the ones place. Add 1 to the digit in the ones place. Here the digit in the ones place is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. And remove the decimal part. So if the digit is more than 5, 10th place, children, check the 10th place. Follow these steps. This is very, very important. Okay. Check the 10th place. If the 10th place is more than 5, add 1 to the digit in the ones place. Ones place il digit inde kuda 1 add cheya. Then remove the decimal part. So 6.73 becomes 7. Okay. So our final answer is 3.2 becomes 3 and 6.73 becomes 7. 3 minus 7. What is 3 minus 7? Here both are positive, isn't it? So change subtraction into addition first. 3 plus negative 7. 3 plus negative 7. So 7 minus 3, 4, and put the larger number sign, negative 4. So negative 4 is our answer. Okay. Let me explain few examples. Next is negative 5.93 minus 6.37. Negative 5.93. 5.93. Round to the nearest whole number. Check the 10th place. 10th place is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So what will we do? Add 1 to the digit in the ones place. 5 plus 1 is 6. And remove this part. Okay. So negative 5.93 becomes 6. Okay. 6. Now next number 6.37. Check the digit in the 10th place. 3. 3 is less than 5. So what will we do? Remove this decimal part. So 6.37 becomes 6. Okay. So here children, 5.93 becomes 6 and 6.37 becomes 6. Then here negative 5.93. So negative 6 minus 6. Okay. Negative 6 minus 6, which is equal to negative 6 plus negative 6. First, change negative 5.93 as negative 6, because in our question it is given that negative 5.93. So 5.3 round to the nearest whole number means which becomes 6. Since it is negative, write negative 6. Then 6.37 also 6. So negative 6 minus 6 means negative 6 plus negative 6. Here we are adding two numbers with same sign, negative sign, add and put negative signs, or our answer is negative 12. 6 plus 6, 12. Negative 12. Okay. Last question is negative 13.29 plus negative 5.6. 13.29. First round into nearest whole number. Check the 10th place. 2. 2 is less than 5. So remove this part. So 13.29 becomes 30. Okay. Since the 10th place is less than 5. Now next number is, which is the next number, children? 5.6. Check the 10th place. 6. 6 is more than 5. So do one more step, that is 5 plus 1. Add 1 to the digit in the ones place. Ones place in the add in. So 5 plus 1 becomes 6. So 5.6 becomes 6. Remove this part, decimal part. Okay. Now negative 13.29 is negative 13 plus negative 6. Okay. 13.29 becomes 13 and 5.6 becomes 6. So negative 13 plus negative 6. Since both numbers are negative, add and put negative sign. 13 plus 6 is 19. So negative 19 is our answer. Okay. Children, let me show you a few examples for rounding the numbers. Suppose our number is 15.28. 15.28. Check the 10th place, that is 2. 2 is less than 5. So remove this part. 15.28 becomes 50. Okay. Next, 15.58. 58. 10th place is 5. 5 is equal to 5. So add 1 to the digit in the ones place. 5 plus 1, 6. 16. Remove this part. So 15.58 becomes 16. Okay. So 15.88. Which is the digit in the 10th place, children? 8. 8 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the digit in the ones place. 15 plus 1, 16. So 15.88 becomes 16. Remove this part. Okay. So children, if you are rounding a number to the nearest whole number, check the 10th place. 10th place means the digit after the decimal point. Decimal point കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള first digit നെയാണ് നമ്മൾ 10th place എന്ന് പറയുക. If the 10th place is less than 5, less than 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then you should remove the decimal part and write the remaining numbers. Okay. If the 10th place is 5 or more than 5, 5 or 5-നേക്കാൾ greater ആയ numbers ആണെങ്കിൽ, that is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. These 6, 7, 8 and 9 are greater than 5. So if the digits in the 10th place is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the digit in the ones place. Ones place. Okay. Add 1 to the digit in the ones place and remove the decimal part. So here the digit is 5. So we are adding 1 to the digit in the ones place, that is 5 plus 1, 60. In this question, the digit in the 10th place is 8, which is more than 5. So add 1 to the digit in the ones place. 5 plus 1, 6, 60. Okay. Then remove the decimal part. So children, when you are rounding a number to the nearest whole number, you should follow these instructions. Hope this is clear for you. Thank you, children.